Welcome to Stevie's World UK. Today I'm in Alexandria in Egypt. So today the Roman theatre, known as Kom El Deka, is part of my world. Kom El Deka is a neighbourhood and archaeological site in Alexandria, Egypt. Early Kom El Dika was a well-off residential area, and later it was a major civic centre in Alexandria with a bath complex, lecture halls and a theatre. Today it is the largest and most complete above-ground archaeological site in Alexandria. It provides large amounts of archaeological evidence of urban life in Roman Egypt, including early villas and the mosaics and late Roman public works. The early Roman period, dating from the 1st to the 3rd century AD, contains the earliest well-preserved structures. In this period, Kom El Dika contained mainly large villas. In the late 3rd century, the area was badly damaged by a combination of sieges and repressions. The late Roman Byzantine period, dating from the 4th to 7th century, saw a very changed neighbourhood. Public works replaced private houses, and the site was notably dominated by a large imperial bath complex, as well as a theatre and a series of auditoria. These public works were constructed together and were intertwined in the construction. With these buildings, Kom El Dika served as a major civic centre in Alexandria. So come with me and let's take a look.
See?
Or a normal water, and one will give a heat water or bath. Like I showed you in the way that at the beginning of the This is big value because preserved for 2,000 years ago. Tradition 4, Egyptian room, the picture is the shape of the king, the tiny photography. That's yes. That's why in museum will see different size with the decoration. Later use it as a one like what better than kaya.
So that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on great future content from Steve's World UK. Until next time, be safe, be good, be kind and be careful. It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Steve's World UK.